Well, good afternoon, Dr. Zhang. My name is Ahmed, and I'm here with Rocky Hennigan. And we're in the Terracon lab here in Sulphur, and we're going to be doing our fluids process, I guess our project right now. And Rocky's going to give you a breakdown on what exactly we're going to be doing.
We're going to be working with a hydrometer to do a particle size analysis. By doing this, this will allow us to read and distinguish what type of particles, as far as like clay, silt, sand, the percentage value of what a soil sample would consist of.
I'll walk this up closer to the camera so hopefully you can see. So this is the soil sample mixed in with some other fluid in here.
Yes. So yeah, in here is our soil sample, and if you notice that there's already a slight breakdown in here. What solution we have in here is sodium hex. This is basically kind of like a dishwashing detergent, and it's just going to help us with breaking down the particles more easily.
So here we have our hydrometer, and this measures grams of soils per liter. And so we got a 0 reading on our hydrometer right now, which is, since we have no soils in there, that's exactly how it's supposed to read. So now we're going to be moving over to here and taking hydrometer readings every 2 minutes, then 4 minutes, and then doubling all the way until we're done. And then we're going to tell you our separation. All right. Hydrometer going from a 0 reading in distilled water at 1,000 milliliters to straight into our soil sample, and we're going to tell you what it's reading at as soon as it balances out. So at a rough look right now, it looks like we're reading about 49 grams of soil per liter of water. That's what our hydrometers are reading, and we're going to be hitting you back with readings based on our timetable and on our sheet. Boom. Like professionals. Alright, so yeah, over the past couple minutes we just saw our initial reading at about 49 drop to about 28 in only a matter of minutes, and that's how quickly our specific gravity is changing of our sample as more sediment starts to settle to the bottom. Pretty interesting stuff, A-worthy material, one might say.
Alright, well, we're doing our 30-minute checkup right now, and we've noticed that there has been a change. Our reading now is sitting at 24, and just to help us out here, keep track of our times, Adam just put in our time, and you can see on our list here that we're starting to notice changes as sediment continues to settle.
And you can see the slow progression from starting at time 0, our initial reading was close to 50 at 49, then to 35 very rapidly, then 28 where it kind of held its stance, and now after about 25 minutes of time, we're seeing a 4-point decrease on our hydrometer reading. Alright, welcome back, audience. Now an hour and a half time has lapsed here in the Terracon lab, and we are going to be closing out our experiment. And currently we are showing 18 points reading on our hydrometer. And Rocky will elaborate on what that means from our starting value where we first initially floated the hydrometer and had a reading of 49.
Yeah, so since our initial reading was rough at about 49 or near 50, and this current reading is 18, you see that dropped roughly nearly 50%, 40 to 50%. So with these readings, we can result that the amount of settlement particles that have settled, that there's still a remaining of about 40%-ish, not without giving exact amounts, right about 40% of clay and silt still in suspension with our distilled water. So thank you very much for watching us.
Thank you for your time, and we hope you give us an A. Nothing more to say.
Yes. Thank you.